Video? Builders video.
Now we just follow the skyrockets and boring stuff. It means we can go home and have a sweet dream. What the fuck? Why you're so... Man, this thing makes no sense. There's literally nothing. Oh, flower. Nice crackers. You got here, kid.
Gano'ng kagad?
No, but I'll leave. I'm living. What the hell? Something's wrong. Woo! You.
Happy New Year!
I wonder what's going on outside the building. I see flashes and some loud noise outside. But enough. I think it's time to go sleep or something. Yeah. Yeah, it's over.
Over again.
Yep.
Over again.
A lot of explosions. Going outside. I wonder what's outside. But there's literally nothing. But the low power. Now there's literally nothing.
Ano na sa sagwa?
Here's the full moon. The moon shining.
Sulatan ng sagwa na mga tao. Natapos sa tanan.
You. In a happy new year. I love nonsense and classes. Man, what a freak. Oh, it stepped something. Maybe I will never stop recording this one. Yippee! Another one! Oh god, it's shining. Shining way crazier. It's like Mascara Festival fireworks. Where it's but fire dancers on Hollywood is super amazing. Like you can go in there and see the parties after this. You can see the fireworks, fire dances for about 7 minutes. Yeah. Oh god, fireworks never stop. I think it's time to sleep now. Maybe. Oh god. Oh my god, I see another here. But I don't see it. It's covered by the stupid trees. It's a Happy New Year Day! A lot of memories from Christmas. I'm just recording a live show. Yeah, there it is. The firecrackers are it's just shining fast, flashing before your eyes. Like, it's not even ridiculous. Philippines has amazing fireworks. Like, let's go, however, bad spirits and rest in peace to these people who died in Barangay 2, Bacolod City, Purok Taong. Wow, fireworks show. Fireworks show. Man, this stupid gay guys is just screaming too loud. Oh, it's flaming. The end. Have we ever tried our best known fireworks ever? Like that thing has never done ever. But remember, this is on live stream, so I better take that thing off of crouch because the thing takes so long. Look at it, it's just a full power thing and a lot of explosive things. I think there's a lot of firecrackers going out of here in Purok Taong, Barangay 2, Bacolod City. Yay! Woohoo! Wow, a lot of fucking. What the? I see it. Happy New Year, motherfucker. Yep, it just ended quickly. All the kids are enjoying their fireworks show. Thanks to the bad spirits, which made launch a lot of fireworks in the Philippines. Happy New Year to you guys. Enjoy everything that with 2026, January 1. It's now, it's just a day of the day. Like, what the hell? Well, please, I recorded so many things. Look at that. So many firecrackers exploding. Like, imagine there's a fireworks in the space outside of the atmosphere of Earth. You know what would happen? What happened to the fireworks? If they go to space and go to the moon, well, nothing happened. But you see a shining light. Alright, it's time to say goodbye to 2025. Welcome 2026, January 1. Alright, that's it. That's the end of our life. You know what? Say goodbye. Time is the end of a 6-7 million like something Italian brain rot is the end. The end. Yeah, the end. It's literally the end. What? Like, we have never seen a fireworks like this. But the end of life is the end.